Welcome back. Today, we're transforming your home with creative, beautiful, and totally doable wall decor. Tired of blank walls? We've got 7 amazing ideas for every style and budget to make your space truly yours. From gallery walls to bold art and fun DIYs, you'll find inspiration to express your personality. Ready to get started? Grab a notebook and let's dream up some incredible possibilities for your home. All right, let's dive in. First up, the classic gallery wall, a perfect way to tell your story. Mix family photos, travel postcards, art prints, and even your kids' drawings for a unique look. Play with different frame styles and sizes for depth and interest. Lay out your arrangement on the floor first, or use paper templates on the wall to plan. Add mirrors, textiles, or small shelves for texture and dimension. Let your wall reflect your personality and make you smile every time you walk by. Love bold patterns but fear commitment? Removable wallpaper is your answer. Peel and stick options let you transform a room in an afternoon. No mess, no damage. Try dramatic accent walls, playful patterns, or line a bookshelf for a pop of color. It's easy to apply and just as easy to remove when you want to change. Experiment with trends and make a big impact with minimal effort. Floating shelves are the perfect blend of style and function. Use them anywhere, kitchen, bathroom, living room, for storage and display. Style with books, plants, photos, and unique finds. Vary heights and textures for interest. Remember the rule of 3s and leave some breathing room for a curated look. Showcase your treasures and create a beautiful, functional focal point. Simple, stylish, and endlessly versatile. Sometimes one oversized piece of art is all you need for a dramatic effect. Anchor your room with a large canvas or framed print. Think landscapes, abstracts, or personal photos. Hang it at eye level, about 2/3 the width of your furniture, and 6 to 8 inches above. It's a confident, uncluttered statement that instantly elevates your space. Choose art you love, and let it set the tone for the whole room. Wall decals are the ultimate in fun, affordable, and flexible decor. Perfect for kids' rooms, offices, or anywhere you want a quick, playful update. Choose from patterns, quotes, maps, or custom designs. Application is a breeze. When you're ready for a change, just peel them off. No residue, no fuss. Play with your style and refresh your space anytime. DIY wall hangings add a personal, handmade touch to your home. Try macrame, yarn, or fabric tapestries. Even simple projects make a big impact. Find tutorials online and create something unique, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Embrace imperfections and enjoy the creative process. Your handmade art will bring warmth and character to any room. Make your space truly yours with a piece you crafted yourself. Paint is one of the easiest ways to transform a room. Think beyond just one color. Try an accent wall or a simple mural with geometric shapes or color blocks. Use painter's tape for crisp lines or trace a design for something special. Choose colors that complement your decor and create a unique focal point. Don't be afraid to experiment. If you don't love it, you can always paint over it. Unleash your creativity and make your walls a true work of art. There you have it. 7 creative ways to transform your walls and make your home feel like you. Pick one idea that excites you and give it a try. Share your results in the comments or tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home inspiration. Until next time, keep creating and make your space a place you love.